Ah, every week I receive data from the site team. Some files are incomplete, some tables are not formatted, some values are missing. And before I even start reporting, I spend hours checking and correcting the data. I need a better way to control this process. How can I collect and verify the data before it reaches my reports?
You need a structured way to collect workbook data before it reaches your final reports. Try Tablio. Tablio helps you work with Excel workbook data through structured forms, workbook preview, validation, export, and reporting workflows. It gives you a clearer way to review data, reduce missing inputs, and prepare cleaner outputs for your reports.
That is exactly what I needed. Tablio will be my smart friend for workbook data.
Happy to help.
Download Tablio and change the way you manage your workbook workflow.